Standby na po dispatch and the wrap. The surgeon draws for your lead. Moving up in between runners, Solar Power. Maimpok is running by the rail. Then in between runners is Speed Up Firm by the rail. Second last, Security Check. And Bachelor of Arts is running at the tail of the field. About to pass the last 900. Maimpok running on the outside, the surgeon, and running by the rail third now. Security Check, Solar Power is Speed Up Firm running on the outside, and by about 8 lengths trailing them is Bachelor of Arts. As they round at the last 600, Maimpok is Speed Up Firm now about to throw the challenge on the outside. The surgeon drops back in third, then comes Security Check, Solar Power, and Bachelor of Arts as they swing for home. Maimpok is Speed Up Firm racing wide a little bit. The surgeon, Security Check, and Bachelor of Arts, and down the stretch they come. Maimpok is Speed Up Firm is on the outside with 200 to go. Maimpok is Speed Up Firm moves up on the outside over Maimpok and leading the finish line. Another win for Annalyn Reloto, this time on Speed Up Firm. Maimpok, Bachelor of Arts, the surgeon, Security Check, and Solar Power.